In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Chatgpt login problem. If you're having trouble logging in, don't worry, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the tips and tricks you need to get back into your account smoothly. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the Chatgpt website. Once you're there, take a moment to ensure that you're using the correct email and password. This might sound simple, but it's quite common for users to accidentally mistype their login credentials. Double-check any potential typos or errors, as they are often the root cause of login issues. Now, if you've forgotten your password, don't panic. Click on the Forgot Password link, which is typically found near the login fields. This will start the password reset process, and once you follow the instructions provided in your email, you'll be able to set a new password and regain access to your account. Next, it's important to ensure you're logging in with the right method. Depending on the options available, this could be via email and password, or perhaps through third-party sign-ins such as Google or Microsoft accounts. Make sure you're choosing the one you used during the initial setup of your account. Another potential culprit could be your internet connection. Check that you have a stable and active internet connection, as interruptions can sometimes prevent smooth logins. If you're on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router or switching to a different network to see if that resolves the issue. If you're still facing difficulties, it's time to dive into your browser settings. Head over to the Privacy and Security section. Here, clearing your cache and cookies can often do wonders. Cache and cookies store small amounts of data from the websites you visit, and sometimes they can interfere with or block fresh logins. Clearing them might just be the fix you need. Once you've cleared your cache and cookies, it's a good idea to restart your browser. This fresh start can sometimes clear out any leftover issues and give your login attempt a better chance of succeeding. If the problem persists, consider disabling your browser extensions. Some extensions can interfere with website functionality, including logins. Try disabling them temporarily and attempt logging in again. If this works, you can re-enable each extension one by one to identify which might be causing the conflict. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most issues with logging into Chatgpt. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.